Hello friends, let's cook! Today we're going to make scrambled eggs. We're going to use eggs, cheese, and salami. But before we start, we have to wash our hands really well, okay? For this recipe, we will use 4 eggs. You can use 2 eggs per person, okay? So I'm going to make scrambled eggs for 2 people. So I'll need 4 eggs, 2 for each person, okay? So let's get first, we have to crack our eggs inside a bowl. 1, 2, 3, and how many more? Very good. 1 more. 3, 1 more, makes 4. Very good. Then we have 4 eggs. Put them aside. Then, now we have to beat the eggs. I use a fork to beat the eggs, and that's how we do it. You can ask help to beat the eggs. Maybe mom or dad or grandma or an adult can help you beat the eggs. You mix them very well like this. So now you see just one color, huh? All yellow. We can season the scrambled eggs with salt, and also I like to use oregano. But if you want, you can put other things inside, like pepper or maybe some basil leaves. I like to use just salt and oregano. So I'll put a little bit of salt here and a little bit of oregano, like this. And then we beat a little bit more, just to stir. Just mix a bit. There you go. Okay, now we need to put the eggs, the beaten eggs, inside a pan. We have to heat up the pan. So this is the time where you really need help. You have to have a help from an adult so you don't get burned, okay? So we have to turn on the heat. We're going to use a little bit of olive oil. And we need a spatula. When it's hot, then we just simply put it in the oven like this. And I have to stir. That makes the scrambled egg. Remember, you have to add the cheese slices. There's 2 slices. Cut it in half, so it's 4 pieces. Okay? And the salami. You put it in like this. And you scramble. And then you mix. And it's ready to eat now. And now it's ready to eat our scrambled eggs with cheese and salami. You need a plate like this. A big spoon to serve. Now we serve a little bit. I made a lot so I can share. There you go. And we also need a fork to eat. Let's see if it's good. Delicious. I hope you like it and you enjoy your scrambled eggs. Bye bye.